Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best Tacoma headlights is probably one of the most crucial upgrades you can make to your 2005 to 2011 Toyota Tacoma, dramatically impacting both its aesthetic appeal and your nighttime driving safety. Whether you're looking to restore the factory look with crystal clear lenses, enhance visibility with modern LED or projector technology, or simply replace aged and yellowed units, the right headlights can transform your truck's front end and illuminate your path like never before. We've scoured the market to find the brightest, most durable, and stylish options available, ensuring you get the best bang for your buck and a product that stands the test of time. Number 5. Autosaver 88 Headlight Assembly for 05-11 Tacoma. Upgrade your 2005 to 2011 Toyota Tacoma with these stylish black housing headlights. They are designed as a direct OE-style replacement, ensuring a perfect fit for your truck. Don't worry about moisture or corrosion. These headlights are fully sealed with silicone and feature one-way vents to keep the inside dry, no matter the weather. Experience enhanced visibility with metallic parabolic reflectors that provide a broader and smoother beam. This means more light output for a clearer view of the road ahead. Stay safe on the road with integrated microprism reflectors. These ensure you are easily seen by oncoming traffic and pedestrians at night. Built to last, the polycarbonate lens and tough housing resist shock and vibration, even on rough roads. Professional installation is recommended for optimal performance. What we like. This option offers excellent protection against moisture and corrosion, ensuring longevity. If you frequently drive in wet or humid conditions, or are looking for a durable solution that can withstand the elements, this is a great choice. Its brighter lighting also enhances visibility for safer night driving. What people say. Easy installation. The hardest part was taking the front grille off to get to the headlights, but very doable. Only tools you'll need is a socket wrench and a Phillips head screwdriver. The seal on these things is amazing. In short, the lenses cannot be heated up and removed, which is the typical method. I ended up cutting the housings and using the lenses with another spare set of housings that I luckily had on hand. Even that was hard to do because the foam is incredibly dense. They fit perfectly, and install easily enough. There are several YouTube videos outlining Tacoma headlight replacement. I liked the blacked out reflector border, as my truck is black. The light pattern is good once you get them aimed, but a bit different from OEM. Still shows bright. The low beams have a good cutoff and high beams project well. Number 4. AKKON 2005 to 2011 Toyota Tacoma replacement headlights. Introducing a brand new pair of replacement headlights designed specifically for your 2005 to 2011 Toyota Tacoma. These are a direct fit for your original lights. Installation is a breeze with these. They are a direct bolt-on replacement, meaning no extra wiring or modifications are necessary for a perfect fit. This set includes both the driver's side and the passenger's side headlamps, ensuring a complete and uniform look for your truck. These are OE replacement headlights, offering a quality match to your original equipment. They are built to fit your vehicle seamlessly. Please note that bulbs are typically not included with these lights, though occasionally manufacturers may include them. Coverage is valid for 90 days from delivery. What we like. This product is designed for a straightforward installation, making it ideal for DIYers or those who want a quick replacement. If you're looking for a hassle-free upgrade that requires no extra wiring or modifications, this pair will get you back on the road with ease. It's perfect for a simple restoration or replacement. What people say. They fit okay and look good like standard equipment. Work as listed on my 2011 Toyota Tacoma. Really works well and so much more light than the older headlights I had. Made my Tacoma look new, worked very well at night, would buy again. Number 3. DWVO Headlight Assembly for 2005 to 2011 Toyota Tacoma. Enhance your 2005 to 2011 Toyota Tacoma with our OE-style replacement headlights. They offer a refreshed look with a chrome housing and amber reflector, perfectly matching your truck's original design. Experience improved illumination thanks to integrated metallized reflectors. These headlights increase light distance, ensuring better visibility and driving safety, especially in dusky conditions. Our fully sealed structure, featuring solid silicone, prevents moisture buildup. This ensures reliable service in all weather conditions, from rain and snow to dust storms. Constructed with tough polycarbonate lenses, these headlights protect against road debris and trail impacts. The high-impact housing also withstands shock and vibration for your off-road adventures. These are designed as a direct replacement for your original headlights. They come as a pair, including both the driver and passenger side, for a complete upgrade. Please note that the high and low beam bulb type is H4. Bulbs are not included with this assembly, so be sure to have them ready for installation. What we like. Experience enhanced visibility with its improved illumination, perfect for dusky conditions or winding roads. If you prioritize driving safety and need a reliable unit that can handle various weather and road debris, this is a solid contender. Its tough construction is especially suited for those who venture off-road. What people say. They look great and make nighttime driving much better. Fit perfect. Fit well, easy install, silicone, all the seams let fry for a day prior and installed. So far no issues. Number 2. oEdRo Headlight Assembly for 2005 to 2011 Tacoma. Introducing the oEdRo Headlight Assembly, designed specifically for your 2005 to 2011 Tacoma. Give your truck a fresh, modern appearance with this direct replacement. These headlights are engineered for a seamless fit on your 2005 to 2011 Tacoma. They are designed to replace your stock headlights without any modifications needed. Experience enhanced visibility and safety on the road. Its design minimizes glare for oncoming traffic while improving your ability to see pedestrians and other vehicles. Constructed with a clear polycarbonate lens and a durable housing, these headlights offer superior resistance to heat, vibration, and dust, ensuring longevity. Completely sealed with solid silicone and featuring a one-way vent, it effectively prevents moisture buildup and corrosion. Drive confidently through any weather condition. Installation is straightforward with no cutting or drilling required. They are designed to look and function just like your original headlights, though professional installation is recommended. What we like. This headlight assembly focuses on providing a brighter, safer light while minimizing glare for oncoming traffic. If you're concerned about road safety and want a unit that's easy to install without any modifications, this is an excellent option. Its waterproof and durable nature ensures reliable performance in diverse conditions. What people say. The headlights are a direct fit and easy to install. The beam pattern is clear and bright, improving visibility at night. The headlights have a modern look that enhances the truck's appearance. Number 1. oEdRo Headlight Assembly for 2005 to 2011 Tacoma. Upgrade your 2005 to 2011 Tacoma with these oEdRo headlights. They are designed for a perfect fit, ensuring compatibility with your vehicle's high and low beam functions. Experience a safer night drive with these lights. They minimize glare and feature stylish reflectors to help you see oncoming traffic and pedestrians more clearly. Constructed with premium materials, these headlights feature a clear polycarbonate lens and a durable housing. This ensures exceptional resistance to heat, vibration, and dust. These lights are completely sealed and waterproof, with a one-way vent to manage moisture. This design prevents corrosion and fogging, ensuring a longer lifespan in various weather conditions. Installation is straightforward, requiring no modifications, cutting, or drilling. They are designed to look and function just like your original headlights, though professional installation is recommended. What we like. Achieve a sleek, custom look with its black housing while benefiting from reduced glare and enhanced safety. If you're aiming for a more aggressive or modern aesthetic for your vehicle and want improved visibility, this is the one to consider. Its premium materials also promise durability for your off-road adventures. What people say. Great replacement for my Toyota headlights, made it look much newer and cleaner. Perfect fit, bolts right up and easy to install. Easy to install, looks great, fit well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.